Before you watch our videos, hit that subscribe button down there, and activate the bell icon so that you will be notified of our latest videos. And if you like our videos, hit that like button, write down your comments, and please do share this video.
A check or cheque, in American English, is a document that orders a bank to pay a specific amount of money from a person's account to the person in whose name the check has been issued. The person writing the check, the drawer, has a transaction banking account, often called a current, check, checking or checking account, where their money is held. The drawer writes the various details including the monetary amount, date, and a payee on the check, and signs it, ordering their bank, known as the drawee, to pay that person or company the amount of money stated. Checks are a type of bill of exchange, and were developed as a way to make payments without the need to carry large amounts of money. Paper money evolved from promissory notes, another form of negotiable instrument similar to checks in that they were originally a written order to pay the given amount to whoever had it in their possession, also called the bearer. So a check is a negotiable instrument instructing a financial institution to pay a specific amount of a specific currency from a specified transactional account held in the drawer's name with that institution. Both the drawer and payee may be natural persons or legal entities. Checks are order instruments, and are not in general payable simply to the bearer, as bearer instruments are, but must be paid to the payee. In some countries, such as the US, the payee may endorse the check, allowing them to specify a third party to whom it should be paid. When the words "or bearer" appearing on the face of the check are not cancelled, the check is called a bearer check. The bearer check is payable to the person specified therein or to any other else who presents it to the bank for payment. However, such checks are risky. This is because if such checks are lost, the finder of the check can collect payment from the bank. When the word bearer appearing on the face of a check is cancelled, and when in its place the word or order is written on the face of the check is called an order check. Such a check is payable to the person specified therein as the payee, or to anyone else to whom it is endorsed, means transferred. When a check is not crossed, it is known as an open check or an uncrossed check. The payment of such a check can be obtained at the counter of the bank. An open check may be a bearer check or an order one. Crossing of check means drawing two parallel lines on the face of the check, with or without additional words, like and, co or account, payee or not negotiable. A crossed check cannot be encashed at the cash counter of a bank, but it can only be credited to the payee's account. If a check bears a date earlier than the date on which it is presented to the bank, it is called as antedated check. Such a check is valid up to 3 months from the date of the check. If a check bears a date which is yet to come, means future date or a date that comes in future, then it is known as post-dated check. A post-dated check cannot be honored earlier than the date on the check. If a check is presented for payment after 3 months from the date of the check, it is called stale check. A stale check is not honored by the bank.